Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It looks like eating raw acorns won't kill you, but it's not likely to be pleasant and can harm you. Theoretically, you could ruin your kidneys by eating unprocessed acorns, but the tannins make them so nasty that you'd be hard-pressed to eat enough to do yourself harm.
Make your mark, take our lead.
5 creative uses for acorns. Make a rustic wreath. Get a simple foam wreath form and gather dozens of acorns. Use as a vase filler. Buy clear vases in assorted sizes and fill them with acorns. Feed your feathered friends. Donate them. Start seedlings. The 20th of October 2013.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Tannins are the toxic agents found in acorns. Consumption of tannins can lead to gastrointestinal problems, severe kidney damage and death. Some cattle may consume acorns and experience no ill effects, while others suffer severe disease.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The acorn may be small, but it holds a world inside. The nut consists of 3 parts: the cup, or cupule, a tough outer shell, and a kernel. The acorn's cup is probably the most fascinating part to children, as it resembles nothing so much as a tiny brown hat. 5 October 2012.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The acorn, or oak nut, is the nut of the oaks and their close relatives, genera Quercus and Lithocarpus, in the family Fagaceae. It usually contains 1 seed, occasionally 2 seeds, enclosed in a tough, leathery shell, and borne in a cup-shaped cupule.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.